Why my chatbot doesn't work? They say it should bring leads and money, but nothing. So what's wrong with it? Hi, welcome to the Dashly YouTube channel. My name is Lata, and today, as always, I will share with you our expertise and experience. I'll start with coming out. I'm a marketer and I do know clients' pains because I communicate with them a lot. So this time I'm gonna heal one of them, and this is the chatbot that doesn't pay off.
I've launched a chatbot on my website, but there's a low conversion rate in our dialogue, so nobody wants to communicate with it.
Yeah, you said chatbot will bring tons of leads, so where are they? Chatbot sucks, or is it me? Okay guys, let's take a look at this closely. There are technical and content issues that may be the reasons why your chatbots don't work. And let's start with technical ones. So Chatbot is a software that helps with typical user requests. It's basically a virtual companion in charge of different tasks depending on their functionality. And here is what it can do and what you want it to do. By the way, if you still have no idea what a chatbot is, here is the video about it. So whatever your chatbot is, it should be easy to find and quick to open, not annoying. And now let's take a look at Dan's chatbot. This is kind of strange, isn't it? A visitor doesn't have a slightest idea of your product, but he already offers help. I don't want to learn how to swim before I see an ocean, so that's why a visitor closes the chatbot and joins Chatbot Haters Club. Dan should look through his visitor's roadmap and chatbot flow to see when it's more applicable to start a chatbot and when an interested visitor is ready for help and advice. Also, you'd better make sure that a chatbot icon may be seen on both mobile and desktop versions of the website with different browsers. And it shouldn't be covered by any other frame, so please check it. The icon must be contrastive and grab attention, but not too much. Obviously, the chatbot is not the boss here, it's just an additional assisting tool. Chatbot must be clickable. It's hard to open a chatbot icon on your mobile, especially after you eat some chips. So with your greasy fingers, it will be hard to tap. Avoid obstacles such as necessary fields with name, contacts, and etc. All these barriers sharply cut conversion to a dialogue.
All right.
And now it's Ashley's chatbot turn. Seems that it's time to talk about the content of your chatbot. And one of the most important things here is the welcome phrase. Always add welcome phrases because they indicate what you can ask about, and if, for example, you want to increase conversion rate into product installation, you'd better insert some information about the product or ask for more information if you are ready to provide your website visitors with customized solution. A welcome phrase should indicate the client's pain. What are they here for? What are they looking for? And I'll give you a super hint right now, and for no charge. You'd better segment your website audience, and based on the segmentation, you can show different welcome phrases to different people and on different landing pages. For example, on FAQ page, you can ask questions as a welcome phrase regarding service installation, and on pricing pages, you can propose the best plan. So it's up to you. In order to make a chatbot a natural part of your website, follow your tone of voice. Don't scare website visitors with official greetings if they are here on your website to buy some panties, and vice versa. Hey buddy on the government website would seem awkward, obviously. And now here are bonus insights for you. Don't be scared to experiment with welcome phrases. Analyze which of them engage more people in the dialogue. And don't forget, always remember that the main metric for you is not the number of dialogues you finally generate, but the number of sales and other financial metrics. So keep it in mind that it's always all about money. We love giving gifts, and one of them is waiting for you in the description. This is the article about how to configure a chatbot with 7 tips, so don't hesitate to grab your gift. This is not the last video about chatbots, and the next one will be for those who don't know Python, so see you! Bye bye!